Hi, sixth graders. Let's look at the verb describe. Before we get into it, though, remember you can always pause this video and look at the box below to help you with the different parts of speech. Describe means to tell someone the appearance, sound, smell, events, etc. of something or someone, or to say what something or someone is like. In purple, you'll see the Spanish translation. Let's look at some example sentences with the verb describe. My teacher asked me to describe Bud's personality. Or he described Bud's personality to the teacher. Or she is describing Bud's personality to the teacher. Remember, the ed ending tells us it's in the past tense, so that's in the second sentence, and the ing or gerund ending tells us something that's happening right now, which is in the third sentence. You can also turn describe into an adjective. It would then change into descriptive or describable. Let's look at some example sentences. The student's response was very descriptive. Here, descriptive is describing the noun phrase student's response. Don't worry, you don't really have to know what a noun phrase is. Just know that the noun phrase student's response is acting just as the noun. So again, descriptive is describing the student's response. Another example with an adjective would be Bud's personality is easily describable. Same thing, describable is describing the noun phrase Bud's personality. Describe can also be turned into a noun, in which case it would be description. Your description of Bud helped me understand him better as a character. So when we describe a person, we can describe a person in a multitude of ways. We can say whether it's a man or a woman, a boy or a girl. We can talk about what group they belong to, if they're a mother, an aunt, or a granddad or a brother. We can even talk about the characteristics of their face, or you could talk about what they're wearing. You could say what they enjoy to do in their free time, or you could talk about their feelings, sad, happy, annoyed. So there are a lot of ways to describe a person. Now that you have a better understanding of what describe means, go ahead and try to write your own sentence in your Frayer model.